Welcome. Episode 95.
What about the intro, my dude?
Yeah, true.
It's all you. I always do them. Katie makes fun of me because it's always like, on tonight's episode, that's what I say.
Well, Aaron's the talk man. I don't talk.
You just work.
With anxiety, I'm not good at talking. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Tonight on the Ultra RC Hobby Show, we go through the 4-4-2.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
What he said.
Yeah.
I have nothing to do with this at all. This is all him.
It's just me. You
I'm
can
just
leave,
here for my devilish good looks.
but I like them. Little breakdown on my Yeti. We're only going to show you.
Down here. You should check us out on Snapchat though. We post. Well, looks like it's just you and I tonight again.
Some new tools. The rest of the two that Aaron showed you earlier.
It was actually 3. That should have been 4. But hey, that's
Maybe
minor
4.
details. I think we got.
Or smash something. I don't know.
Well, we're good at both, so. You gotta check out this year's Dust Off, June 1st, Ultra RC Hobbies parking lot, corner of Clarence and Taylor, and check out the footage from last.
He shaved his beard if you didn't notice.
It's weird now.
Terrible. Like, I considered quitting. But I'll wait.
Until 4-4-2's done. Then I quit.
Yeah, I gotta finish this at least.
Okay. So welcome.
Yes.
Episode number 95.
9-5.
Ultra RC Hobby Show.
5 away.
From 100.
100.
And that's what we're giving this bad to the bone truck
Mamma
away.
jamma away.
Yeah. So he's Chris.
Aaron.
So if you want more information on how you can win this sweet TRX4 custom built into a 4-wheel steer monster,
What?
go head over to our Facebook page and see how you can enter. The post will be pinned to the top of our page, and you'll be able to enter until February 23rd.
Yeah.
23rd. So don't forget to go watch that video and see how you can enter to win this sweet truck.
This could be yours.
Yeah,
Wish it could be mine.
can't be ours,
It was mine.
but it's not anymore.
No.
No. So, as you can see, we got the brand new Proline Ram Charger body installed now.
Yes.
Chris did a heck of a job getting that all sorted and figured. So now it's just really doing the odds and ends. So,
Man.
was it kind of dirty and kind of a little bit beat?
It was kind of a mess. It wasn't too beat. There was definitely some bearings in the transmission that were pretty growly, but nothing that was like blown out, seized up, anything like that. Like the truck still rolled just fine. But yeah, everything was really well. I replaced some rod ends, some links, so everything's a little bit newer. The shocks got a rebuild before it actually got sold to the shop.
Yep.
And they never got used, so they're still freshly rebuilt with some nice new oil. So yeah,
So whoever wins this truck,
they get a nice little truck.
they really are. So we put some extra cash into it. So we converted it into a short wheelbase because it was a long wheelbase
Yes.
Defender. And this new Proline body is a 12.3-inch wheelbase body. So we did put some money into doing that, changed the links over, and did a bearing kit and all of this stuff. So
Exactly.
and new frame rails too. So it
Yeah.
looks like a brand spanking new truck
See?
for whoever that wins it. We want to make
Exactly.
sure we don't give you guys junk. So that's the biggest thing with Ultra. It
And-
has the Ultra name now.
You guys get to see some of that action.
Yeah. So this truck, we probably, what do we have into this truck? Probably $1,700-$1,800.
There's a lot of money in that thing.
Not including any of the labor of us putting it
Yeah.
together. So,
I put a lot of work into this thing. Yeah.
well, honestly, like what? You have 15-20 hours into this truck now.
Yeah, yeah.
So, I mean, there's definitely
And it's about a 10-hour rebuild, somewhere in that range.
so there's definitely some cake in this truck.
Yeah.
So whoever wins it for free
For free.
is getting a damn good deal. Is really the big one.
That's no money.
That's correct. Well, I mean, you did good.
Yeah.
So we're going to walk you through the process of the rebuild. So check out some footage just to make sure that we're doing the correct, well, Chris is doing the correct stuff.
Yes. Except for that one bearing.
You don't need that. Optional.
Guys, we're here with Project 4-4-2. It's getting a full rebuild. As you can see, it's a little dirty. It's been used. We drove it around. So, I've got a whole pile of parts here. Some links, whole new bearings, whole new frame rails, a whole bunch of stuff, new fender wells. We're going to get this all tuned up, get her prepped, for that Ram Charger body. So let's start by tearing it apart. So we've got the electronics and everything except for the servos removed from the chassis. So that'll all be taken apart and cleaned and everything. Along with the transmission has been removed as well. It's nice and dirty. So we'll clean that, tear it apart, put some bearings in it as well. So next we will move on to pulling the differentials out of the truck and also pulling off the shock towers and all the other stuff so that we can start with the frame rail swap, because that's what we were going to begin with. So, as you can see, the chassis has now been completely stripped down. There once was a TRX4 4-wheel steer 4-wheel drive here, and now it's just a bit of screws and parts. So, we've got the new frame rails here. I'm going to start cleaning some parts and rebuilding the diffs, rebuilding the trans. Time to get into the itty-gritty, the greasy, the good stuff. Chassis all put together. Got some of the links put on. Brand new links. Brand new rod ends. All that brand new jazz. Shocks have been rebuilt. Shocks were actually rebuilt before I sold the truck to these guys. And then we actually just tore it all apart. So the shocks never really got used. But they did get rebuilt. So they're all nice and clean. Next up, I guess we're going to go into the transmission and the differentials. Look at how gross this transmission is, guys. Look at that. That is just terrible. I haven't even gotten into the main part, but usually this is the worst section of the transmission. So there's the inside. You see how gritty it is and everything? Yeah. So definitely a well-needed thing was a bearing kit and a cleaning. So continue on with that. Clean all that garbage out. There you see I've got everything taken apart. There's our shifter right there. So there's our high gear and low gear. And there's our top shaft. Everything's just filthy in there. Just filthy, guys. It's so gross. But I'm going to take it all into the sink, tear all the bearings out, clean it out, put all brand new bearings in, and we're good to go. And fresh out the kitchen, it's a cleaned up TRX4 transmission. We got the transmission all cleaned up, all new bearings installed, fast steady bearings. There's about, I think, 10 bearings in this transmission, not including the bearings in the input shafts and everything. So that's next is reassemble the transmission. Some new bearings in there. Some cow RC utter butter. Get her all greased up. Heck yeah, brothers. Let's get her done.
So yeah, battery. It's gonna be a thing.
You ruined it. This guy. If you guys saw what just happened, you missed some awesome stuff. Maybe our guy could throw in a little bit of footage of it before Aaron started cuss words. But like, you guys are great. This guy is
I'm
great.
fired.
But I mean, it's got a
Chris
bad
said,
mouth.
Chris
I got a
said,
bad mouth.
beepity,
Yeah.
beepity, 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 beep. You suck.
Got a bad mouth.
Yeah. It's all the
I'm out.
beeping. So yeah. We'll figure it out.
Ha. Yes.
Correct. So,
We also have some trimming to do on this. We have to cut some L's in here because the tires do rub the rear fenders. Or the rear, like, side rails, I guess you'd call it.
I'm just not going to talk for the rest of the
Besides that, like, everything fit together really well. We had to do a little bit of modification on the upper link because the shock towers and everything are different. So where the panhard is mounted and everything, because normally everything here is on the front, so it's really reversed. So everything's got to be a little bit shorter. Besides that, it's got new bearings in it, new frame rails.
And it got grazed.
Grazed.
It's got grease. So what'd you use for grease?
Udder butter. Yeah.
Are you using the new stuff or the old
Red.
stuff? Red stuff.
Yeah.
The good stuff.
I got a nice vat of red. I like to open it up and smell it once in a while. It says don't breathe in the fumes, but they smell so good.
I don't even know what to say to that. This is all your episode, dude. This is all you. Like I said, I'm not going to talk for the rest of this
This is
episode.
going to be a bad episode.
It's going to be
Make
good.
sure you follow.
Yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Put the bell on for more ridiculous crap like this.
If you like more ridiculous stuff like this, you should check out our
Should we
Facebook
just
Live.
give me-
Because like this is all it really is. It's just
Give me
Chris
the-
and I bantering.
Give me
back
the
and forth.
reins every 2 episodes where you just don't say anything and
Yeah.
I just have to figure it out.
It's like I'm just a mime in a box, man.
I'll go Tina and just sit there and go.
For 50 minutes, Chris just angrily moaning.
I hope you like the footage.
Okay, so you want to talk about the transmission?
What about it?
You said
Got
you
a
talked.
full rebuild.
Yeah.
And it was all dirty.
So anyone that does a lot of water driving, because this was driven in the water quite
Yes.
heavily when we were testing it,
Yes.
you should maybe start looking inside your transmission because just because you think it's full of grease and you have new bearings in it, and it may not see water all the time.
Yep.
The problem is once water gets in, it's not coming out.
And sometimes, and mainly on this truck that I found, is usually it doesn't get into the main transmission. So if you just pull off like the 3-gear axle cover on the back of the tranny and check those gears and bearings, those are the 3 that are going to go out the quickest because those go under a ton of load.
I like you caught it. You caught
I
it.
almost swore.
Yeah, you see, you were almost being cussy, Chris. It's not cussy Aaron, it's cussy
almost needed
Chris.
the cuss to put out how much load they go under, guys. They go under a crap ton.
To really express and accentuate how much load they go under.
So much load.
Okay, let's just continue on.
Yeah.
We're not stopping on that. Because if we do,
They're
bad
all
things-
brand new now with nice new grease, shims in the right place. We're gonna have a great time. We had a
Chris,
great day.
someone's gonna
Wiring's
win
done.
this, and it's gonna be
Wiring's
awesome.
all nice and clean.
I've seen that.
Yeah, I did a good job.
You really did. So there we go. So I have one other thing to say.
What?
Today is going to be our last episode before jolly old Saint Nick arrives.
Is he coming soon?
Yeah.
Santa's coming! Santa's coming! Oh my God, guys! Santa's coming! Santa's coming! Santa's coming, guys! Santa's coming! Santa's coming!
I don't know what to do with my hands. Chris, Santa's coming.
I know, dude. Calm down.
So if you haven't come in to pick up any one of your stocking stuffers, or you haven't picked up maybe a gift card, or a t-shirt,
Yes.
or any one of the things we've talked about in previous episodes, you should come on down and do that.
We've got the RC28 still in stock.
I have a couple left.
And the Traxxas, the pre-runners, and the Tetons.
Yep. And a whole
the-
bunch of tools.
The Nanosports.
I'm amazed we still have any left, honestly.
I know. Those Nanosports are awesome, guys. You get 2 vehicles for $139.95.
Yeah. And if you didn't check out our complete Nanosport unboxing and running footage video, go check that out.
Yeah.
So yeah. But I think that's the end. I think that's all we got
Yeah,
for
I got
you
nothing
fine folks.
I'm
So thank you again for watching.
yes.
But don't forget to go over to our Facebook page, enter to win the 442 on the giveaway. Watch the video on our Facebook page. Check it out. Don't forget to subscribe because we will have the winner announced on episode 100 of the Ultra C Hobby Show here on
Yes.
YouTube.
That's 5 away, folks.
Correct. 5 weeks away. So don't forget to hit up us on social media. So don't forget to hit Chris up, RC
Don't
Deebs
hit me.
on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
Yes.
Don't forget to follow us on Snapchat, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Don't forget to check out our website, www.ultrachobbies.com. And if we don't see you before the big old Christmas. Merry Christmas
Merry Christmas.
from all of us at Ultra C Hobbies. And we really do appreciate you watching this video. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Chris, are you serious? Is Santa coming? Is Santa Claus coming?
Bye.